Grover Jones.
Let's go Grover Jones.
Now why did you show up to Saturday?
None nikikuze kwa gatandatu najana ufite hano. Shakara kuki mwana.
He bitten?
No. Yari we cyangwa.
He needs insulin.
Atene insulin.
There's got to be insulin around here somewhere. We will
Danga byakuna nabo twabula insulin muri kigo.
find it for him.
Turayimushakira. Neza nabo.
So you're going to keep this up?
Asi muzabikomeza rya twabonye nakugwa. Boza ngwaterana mugenza magambo afite mutubazo.
I was giving you a bitch face, you know it.
Nawe ndeba nabi nako nabyanganira.
Please.
Naye afite ameza ngahe.
You can't tell anyone.
Nakunyuza utagira ubwira. Mugenza Natali yari atwite.
Guys, we got a problem.
Ariko kubera karinya munini nta muntu bizika twite. Yajabwa dufite ikibazo. Ikibazo bwoko ki?
Everywhere.
Amazi yabuze buri hamwe. Ono twagarukira na episode ya 5. Dutangiye freakish. Episode ni 6. Tayari. Mazi ni ikibazo. Sasa wana handi baje. Hana baza kuno.
In the basement next to the boiler room.
Byanga byakuna muri basement tukashaka na mahombo ashaka kuba yagize ikibazo.
Maybe there's something about the plumbing we can fix.
Wenda tukabanya ikibazo cyenye na poromberi twakemura. Kareba mahombo yaba yapfiriye. Nese ara nabarimo harava.
Maybe there's something else going on.
Wasanga hari nibindi bijya mbere.
Can you read this?
Yewe wamenya gusoma ikarita y'ikigo.
Daddy.
Ibintu bya schematic ntago mbizi neza ariko zana ndebe. Ureba buryo pricing bimeze.
Okay.
Sasa amaze kumenya ko amazi yabuze. Bada muri stock y'ikigo bavana amazi yari yasigaye muri kantini.
We're careful, we'll have enough fluids to last
Aya radusunika iminsi mike.
days.
Dutegeze ko amazi yagaruka.
So is the toilet.
I'm not
None se amazi yo muri toilet ntago umuntu
drinking
yakoresha.
out of a toilet.
Ntago nayangu ni kajo.
We'll deplete our other sources first.
Mbere na mbere tumenye amazi ava he.
Zoe Parker. Diva.
Harya nawe twa Zoe Parker.
I'm a diva because I don't want to drink toilet water.
None taje kuba ko umukobwa y'ikitegerezo ko nabona ari amazi yo muri toilet se.
You seem to have made a full recovery.
Umva urumva murebe neza.
Close enough.
Ndomba nta kibazo bamute insulin.
So
Garura gategi.
when you have last.
None iyo waguteye iriya insulin ikubara igihe kingana iki?
Longer than the water.
Yamaramo igihe kinini kurusha amazi.
This is the pipe into the building right here.
Ati iri ni ryo hombo sasa ni dizo hako marimo arareba amahombo ajyana amazi.
No place else?
Ana amazi yabaca
See, the
se.
problem's outside. It's probably like
None
a
ikibazo byanga byakunda kiri hanze.
broken water main somewhere.
Byanga byakunda hanze umuntu ashaka yamenya ihombo
Pumping station has been messed up.
kuko byanga byakunda ahantu haturuka amazi kuri reko rwasigo. Pumping station. Amazi ku isoko ashaka kwagize ikibazo.
So we can't fix the water from in here.
Bivuze ngo turi mwana ndani nta kintu twakora kuri ari amazi.
Hey,
Yewe.
we have another option.
Dufite ari mahitamo we.
Yeah?
Ego.
When they built the fallout shelter, they stocked it with gas masks.
Ariko hano hantu bahubaka bashyizeho za gas mask. Bubaka kino kigo.
And that's good. Why?
Ni byiza kubera iki?
Because it means we can get the masks and the tanks and get out of here.
Bivuze ngo dushaka kuba twabona za mask tukareba buryo cy'umuntu yanasohoka hano kugira ngo imyuka iri hanze umuntu atayihumeka.
They're still there.
Hari amahirwe yo kuba twajya kuba twareba aho amazi yapfiriye tukagaruka.
50 years later, that's a big if.
Ariko bashyizemo uzantu zamara imyaka 50 ni igitekerezo kinini.
How we gonna get the masks in the tanks if the shelter filled with freaks?
None se turabona gute tanka za amazi muri make twakwambara gute mask tugafata amatanga twavoma amazi angana kugira twuzuza amatanga tuzanemo ndani.
Just need to figure out a way to get past them.
Ahubwo icyo dukeneye kumenya ni gute nitwambara za mask turi buce kuri zira zombies.
We know they're afraid of fire.
Cyo tuzi cyo ngo zitinye umuriro turajya twitwaje
Or somehow.
imyoto nta kindi.
He's back.
Flamethrowers.
That could work.
Come on, we can't use a flamethrower. It's gonna set off.
Ntabwo twakora flamethrower kugira ngo tunaga imiriro. Ahubwo no kugira ngo gitunga umuriro.
We gas them.
Ahubwo tubitera imyuka mibi.
Brilliant.
Igitekerezo cyiza.
Just so you know,
None abizi.
gas that kills freaks will also kill anyone that goes
None
to
se imyuka mibi turi bitera urabizi kiri byiza izo zombies cyangwa.
the shelter to get the masks.
Well, we're not going to kill them.
Ntabwo tujye kwica zira zombies.
We're going to put them to sleep long enough for us to get
Tugiye gushaka buryo tunakora imyuka mu buryo buri chimique yabisinziriza.
inside.
We don't have any sleeping gas around.
Ariko hano ntabwo dufite zasinziriza zombies.
Well, I can make some,
Ariko arizo nakora.
but I'm good with chemicals.
Ariko kubera ko ibintu bya chimie hari ikintu mbizo chemicals.
My plan.
Ibuka shaka ko bwakoraga mu ruganda ari umushimiste.
And it's more reliable.
Najya ngapanga gazi twatera hanze nkajya navanga ama chemicals twazitera zigasinzira.
You want to talk about a plan getting out of control?
None ushaka kuvuga buryo ibintu byazambye. Bivuga ngo uyu mukobwa uyu musore yakunda kumukeka Garrett yuko ashaka ko yarakoze igisasu kiri mu buryo bwa chimie. Akaba yaturukije rwa ruganda.
There's something you need to say. Go ahead and say it.
Ariko niba ari cyo ushaka kuvuga niba unanamaza akomeza ubivuge. Hari igihe ukomeza ubizi yuko umuntu akubikiye ibanga ukumva yuko buri gihe cyose bugukoreshe kubera kumwinginga kubitiye ibanga. Umukobwa ati bivuge bive mu nzira.
Do you really want that?
Ushaka mbivuge?
I want what's best for this group.
icyo nkeneye ni inyungu za twese,
And my idea is our best shot.
kandi icyifuzo cyanjye nuko twaraza ku ntego nzima.
So I'm not backing down,
ntabwo ndibusubira inyuma
no matter what you have to say.
ibyo wavuga byose. niba uzi ko uri buntu amazi vuga. arege ujya gutabaza umuntu ugasanga ibyo ugiye kuvuga nta gaciro bifite muri rubanda. Mukobwa aramwitanze ati ngenye icyatugirira umumaro nayo ibyo kuvuga ngo uransebya. Vuga cyane.
You stood up to Barrett.
Kuri inshuro rwose bihagazeho kuri Barrett.
He kept his mouth shut.
Byabaye byiza akomeje afunze umunwa.
So is your secret safe with him? Is he gonna tell anyone?
Hano bitera ibanga ryawe kuri we biratekanye cyangwa?
For maximum damage.
Azi yuko yaramfite rwose hariya yankangisha amabanga.
The right thing.
Ariko byakoze byari byo.
For once.
Basi bwarimwe.
I'm sorry.
Kandi mbabarire.
About Mary.
Byabaye kuri mushiki wawe.
About letting you down.
Kuba naranze gutora ko twarinda mushiki wawe ukamushyira hanze.
We've all done things in here we regret.
Twese hano wa mukobwa we twagiye dukora ibintu byinshi twicuza. Ariko ibyo ntabwo byaca iteka.
I need some zip ties to pick the locks in the chemistry lab.
Nyene hano utuntu two gufungisha udupipe.
Pick a lock.
What is that supposed to mean? I'm a felon?
Ushaka kuvuga ikintu felon cyangwa?
You just got layers, that's all.
Basa nkaho ufite amakushe menshi.
Yes.
Ibyo byararangiye. Sasa umukobwa hakuno
It's a lot more.
agiye kugenda avanga ama produit chimique ariko yakora gaze batera hanze. Zira zombi zigasinzira. Banza kuza hakuno mu bitabo. Cyane ko mu kigo bafitemo
Work?
nuza laboratoire y'abakemist.
I have that is so vague I don't know which gas to make or
Ati rwose muri aka mwanya umpangu ufite rwose nagusobanuza ariko sinzi gaze nibuvange.
it.
Ariko byanga byakunda biravamo.
Expensive, so it does work.
Ndakora ibyo nshoboye byose kandi biraza gukunda.
Of course it'll work.
Ahumura biraza gukora.
Great.
Kiza cyane.
Repeat, we are out of water.
Sasa
Situation
uyu musore yaza kubwira abantu bajya bavugana ati amazi yadushiranye.
is urgent. Need
Situation turimo rwose irihutirwa.
immediate assistance.
Dukeneye ubufasha bwihuse.
Copy that. We'll consider action.
Ati nabyumvise umuntu turashaka icyo tubikoraho.
We're past the point of considering anything.
Umva ibyo kutubwira ngo turategereza rwose igihe cyarenze.
The matter is out of our hands.
Umva natwe ikirego kiraturenze.
We are not able to assist.
Ntacyo twagufasha. Afite abandi barajya vugana nabo ariko bagenzi be ntabwo babizi. Sasa nabo kukijyanye n'amazi ntacyo babafasha. Sasa amazi bafite reka ze abe make.
Chemistry lab.
Reka tujye muri chemistry lab.
We were supposed to have a history test today.
Ariko uyu munsi twari dufite ikizamini cya history.
Best?
Ese wari butsinde cyane.
What was it on?
Ndacyari jyanye n'ikisi.
Not a clue.
Simbizi.
But you would have passed.
None se kuvuze gute kuri butsinde?
It's my gift.
Gutsinda history ni impano yanjye n'akantu toto.
Bullshitting?
Kuko nagutera blague. Bakira umukobwa. Nyuma yo kumara cyazombi cyinjiye. Umusore akingaho. Shaka umugozi cyangwa ushaka ishene. Shaka umunyururu. Reka nkure mukandara wawe. Ikarume tuambiriza umukandara nakundi. Mwambura umukandara. Hambira hakuno. Tayari. Ndangije arafunga. Hey.
So let me get this straight. The chemicals that we need to live are in there?
Sasa reba ikosa. Ya chemistry lab ya laboratoire y'abashimiste niho zombi irimo indani no bayifungiranye. Sasa turakura ama produit turi muvange. Kandi muri laboratoire aho dufungiranye izombi. Hey. Ya dore ibibazo. Sasa ibi nabyo ni nyatsi. Hey. Aya.
Oh, there's this plan.
Haro uyu mupangu. Sasa kazowi. Karifata ka video. Yitonze.
There's this plan for me to climb through some vents.
Ati rwose rari uyu mupangu wo guca mu bintu bigiye bitandukanye.
Halls. To get
Zombi zaduteye aho turi.
to get the chemicals that we need.
Tugomba kujifata chemicals dukeneye.
And
Hana amazi bari bukoreshe nta kuntu no kwijajara.
only one small enough and
Bano bose ngunya nafata amazi hari abe make ari mu ndabyo wayanywa nagwa warenze umunsi wenda.
I'm completely terrified.
Rwose mfite ubwoba byandenze harukuru umuntu abavuga ati sa Yesu nanapfa.
But he's expecting
Agasiga afasha ka video kanyuma bazatora telefone yaracishene. Bazagasanga nanjye nabagenzi banjye turi kumwe dufite ubwoba.
battery's gonna die.
Na batiri umuriro ushiranye.
one thing about an apocalypse, everybody brought their phones, but nobody thought to bring a drink.
igitangaje cy'ibihe turimo bibi iyi apocalypse turimo cyangwa iririmbuka abantu bose bazanye mu telefone ariko naje n'umwe azanye sharijeri ibibazo turimo ni inyatsi gusa man atari
I'm not too happy about Zoe doing this.
ntabwo nishimiye ibyo Zoe arimo arakora.
You worried about her?
ese ujya umuhangayikira?
She's just the type that won't help Violet if things turn to shit.
turiya mukobwa rero umuntu ashobora kuba yafasha Violet ibi ibintu byazambye.
Zoe will come through.
Zoe araza gutungana uyimushyigikira. ese hagati yanyu Natalie hari ikibazo ufitanye na Zoe?
She has one against me.
nawe usa nk'ahanganye nanjye ariko nyine nta kibazo ufitanye nawe.
Yeah, it must be pretty bad blood if you...
ahubwo usanga ari abantu bifitiye amaraso mabi y'icyangiro, ufitemo ururaso rw'urutera nta muntu umwiyumvamo. wabona usanga za mu kigo cy'ishuri nta muntu bajya bahuza, niwe ufunze mu mutwe n'ufite umutwe hugaye. sasa aba nabo aho zombi iri.
Go Cougars.
wambaye kabisa uriteguye.
I should be the one going.
nende muri bujyane.
Fit. I'd be going too, but I'm too big.
nawe ndabyibushye nakwanca muri parafu.
I can go by myself.
ndijyana rero.
She's right.
ndavuga ni ukuri.
No point in risking more than one person.
nataho kugira ngo dupfe turi benshi yapfa ari umwe. sasa undi muntu unanutse ni Zoe. rero rishana arimo aravuganira jeri bati oya hagenda umwe tudapfa twese.
Yeah.
ariko akaba yashaka undi muntu umufasha.
Back up.
nyine iyo umwamfasha.
Just so you know, I trained in gymnastics for...
ibintu bya gymnastics nabyize ubuzima bwanjye hafi igice cyabwo.
I'll let you know.
Okay. We're all nervous here.
twese dufite ubwoba pe.
Look, it's
Reba.
nothing personal, but this is not going to be easy.
umva ibintu bishobora kuba twabijya personal ariko ntabwo byoroshye.
Will you be able to stay calm if things go bad?
mwese mugomeze mutuze ibintu nibigenda nabi mwikarumye.
We'll find out.
egarata tugiye gushaka icyo twakora.
I'll be back.
ndagaruka.
Promise.
amuhura bizushe ndagiye. Zoe mugenzi abantu bajya bakivamo mu kigo ariko kuri nshoko yemeye kwitanga kajya na Violet. sasa ya chemistry lab ya laboratory y'abashimiste irimo zombi gahunda no guca muri parafu. ntabwo batazi nimba yagufatirayo. nabonye Cynthia Rutiro kabikora zamani aca muri parafu.
How many do you think go down there?
I don't know.
Iyo urakeka hasi hari yonda ari wingaye simbizi. arisunikiriza.
Looks empty.
bisa nkaho nta kintu kiriyo.
It's open.
harakinguye. banaga kanuza kano hari na kuri parafo.
Oh yeah, that's what I meant by quiet.
umva byo mvuga byabaye ariko ceceka.
It's obvious.
umva ibyo nkora ndabizi na ceceka. hano no kwinjiramo. rebye neza ku muryango ari arakinguye. nanga igikoni kimeze nk'igicumu. arangije do ndabona ikiza cya siporo sha abaye nta numenye ko yinjiye sa gufasha mugenzi we. bandi ni uguporeza nta kindi. sasa gusetsa ingufuri ni utuntu twabo. bitonze. tayari agiye gukinga urugi arakarufashe. yewe tuwenyesheje telefone phone charger nayo bari bayikeneye iki. irukanke pumba kinyuma yako. zombi zinje muri laboratoire. sasa ni barabanga nafashe n'ibintu bakeneye. zombi nayo mana we patakaguru. sasa banabo ibibazanye bataranabibona dore ibibazo sasa. tayari batarabona ibibazanye. Violet gitega igisongo mana we. tayari bitonze paka hasi.
I gotta get out of here.
Jako twava hano.
Help me get the stuff.
Umva mfasha gufata ibintu nta kindi. Ducomoke hakiri kare. Bafata ibyibanze ndebera hanze. Haracyari ya myuka y'uburozi.
Are you bitten?
Marasa arameze atese.
No. We killed one.
Twesha zombi imwe.
You okay? Are you hurt?
Kiri wakomeretse oya. Tumeze neza. Abo ndi arukeneye nibagiwe sava. Dari byarazanye bye muziga wose warawutaye inyuma. Kubera nubwo baragutekereza cyane. Biri mu gakapu. Turabifite. We got it. Basekamo. Anashimwe sheri.
Oh, Wonder Woman.
Wari wigize Wonder Woman.
I was with you when we got attacked. You went out shrieky on me.
Naraneregeje kumva buryo uri busakuza watatswe.
What I mean, don't get mad.
Umva wirakara no birakariremo.
Nobody thought you could do it.
Ntawe narebe ko utari we sheri.
I did.
Yego nabikoze.
You did.
Nabikoze mu mbebe.
Now you know.
None ni gikurikira.
Kind of a badass.
Tegere mu atari.
I'm a badass.
Ari wigize badass. Hey. Barangije baracabaguzwa. Sheri ngwino. Aho tureba. Sasi nawe. Arimo arategura uburyo cyakoramo gas yasinziriza bire bya zombi akanya gato bakareba ukuntu basohoka bakumva banaho bibereye mu bindi. Hari abantu buriya mubana muri tuje tukibaza niba ajya amenya igihe cy'ibibazo n'igihe cy'amahoro. Reba ngaho ibyo bibereyemo. Abandi bari hakujya bari kurwana no gukora imyuka yasinziriza za zombi bakareba uburyo kibajya kurwana amahombo abazi bakaboneka. Baza hakuno ndebe. Buriya ngo nta muryango ubura. Mbuze nuko mbivuga. Abandi bashyushya ubwonko. Banabo dara bibereye. Bino n'umundi naheza heza umuze ntuzapfa. Nkaga kubitwe nta n'undi nta John nta nuza. Yohana. Kumbe ya zombi bateye cya gisongo. Zombi yabonye aho banyuze urebe nayo tayari. Hey! Sasa na filime yaje aryohera. Zombi za muri parafo. Dasamuka. Hey! Tayari ni. Hey! Aya. Ko bakavuye kugakubita. Mugenzi nyamunini nawe. Natari. Bwatinze. Avayo. Araza mugenzi bajya tubazo. Ndabeze by'abakobwa ni wabura gupfa ubusa.
I was really worried about you when you went to the science wing.
Ati rwose nahangayitse kubera ubwo wajya kuri science wing. Bakobwa ni abantu bambere barakazwa n'ubusa ugasanga umukobwa ari marabwira mugenzi we. Nkushuma umetso munini ugasanga undi yabyimbye nkaho yicarira. Adafite yicarira.
Everybody else.
We nabandi bose mwari muhangayitse.
I was worried because
nari mangayitse kubera yuko
I realized if I lost you,
kuko nari maratekereza ati ndamutse nkubuze
I'd always regret never being able to tell you how
nari buzicuze ko ntigeze nkubwira yuko
sorry I am for what I did.
Wagomba kumbabara kubwa ibyo nakoze. Mugenzi buriya niba ari ikintu kigora muri isi n'umuntu waka imbabazi. Nako barahari ariko ni bake. Kandi bira kwaka imbabazi ni ubutwari subugwari.
Haven't exactly acted sorry.
Atariko ntabwo yize unyitwara nk'umuntu ufite gahunda yo kwaka imbabazi.
I didn't think it would end that badly.
Ntabwo nzi ko bizarangira nabi.
It seemed kind of fun.
Byasa nkaho bisekeje.
Sneak some booze.
Asubye ko byari bibi.
You abandoned me.
Ninde se warantaye?
In a car stuck on a median. I got scared.
Mva nagize ubwobwa habaga ibibazo.
By the cops.
Nacuwe muhirwa nakoraga impanuka na polisi. Wari inshuti yanjye magara.
Part of why I got scared.
Nanjye nabonye ukuntu ari wabaye ngira ubwoba.
Your mom acted appalled that my mom would even suggest.
Rwose mama buryo nawe yabyitwayemo avuga ko tuzari kumwe na byarambaje ngaho mama wanjye.
Had something to do with it.
Nta n'ikintu umuntu yari afite cyo gukora.
Raised me better.
Ariko mama yashaka ko uguma umeze neza.
I was a jerk.
Ati nari umuswa. Nakoze amafuti.
Terrified by what my parents might say, but
nari mfite ubwoba bitewe n'ibyo ababyeyi banjye bari buvuge.
It doesn't matter.
Ibyo ntabwo ari byo by'ingenzi.
What matters is I'm sorry because you deserved better.
ati icy'ingenzi nuko wambabarira ko ukwiye ibyiza birenze.
I don't want to be mad at you anymore.
ati ntazongera kurakarira ukundi. nta mpamvu yo kundakarira.
I know I need a friend now more than ever.
ati uyu munsi nibwo nkeneye inshuti birenze ibindi bihe.
Missed you.
nari ngukumbuye nanjye.
I missed you too.
nari ngukumbuye. mugenzi ni cyane atari na Zoe. amuhobeye gize gutya kozeho mugenzi kubera akazangwa byibushye nta waruzwa twite nati natari tiye purenya kuva rya purenya kumbe Violet Marine kazi.
Get some water.
Hari amazi nzanye kirakuno.
So we have this much less to drink?
Dusigaranye amazi make yo kunywa.
That's Barrett's ration.
Ration yagiye tugabanya.
I'm sure he wouldn't mind.
Ako nizeye ko nta kibazo biri utere.
He said he redivided and redistributed to what would
rwose yagiye tugabanya aranaduhereza.
be most advantageous for our survival.
Ariko biradufasha kanya gato ko kuba turiho.
I can so see your mom just thinking you're eating too much.
Ate niye mama yabona gisuri mirabyibuhaga cyaka rugukunda kurya. Kuma rufite ndi wagaburiraga.
Face was getting full.
Yaramera mwango surangire mabyibuha cyane.
Campaign photos.
Niyo mpamvu yakunda kuvuga ngo nujya kwiyamamaza kuba miss amafoto atazaza neza.
Almost like you know her.
Mama wanjye uramuzi.
You're always under so much pressure to be perfect.
Ati teka ryose ikintu cyashimishaga nuko wagiraga pressure kugira ngo utsinde ibyo wabagurimo byose. Ntabwo nuko.
Freak out if I got pregnant.
Ajye nanasana ndamutse ntwise.
Yeah.
Cyane.
I was in denial for a long time.
Ati nanjye narabyirinze igihe kinini ariko nyine byarabaye.
I don't want anyone thinking less of me.
Ati ntabwo nashaka umuntu yanekerezaho nabi.
Or be gleeful that the uptight girl messed up.
Nige mukobwa ubu ngo ari bugaragare yuko ntwaye inda nyiri mu ishuri.
You can handle people seeing you as
ariko wabibwiye mama ko n'ubundi mama yagufasha. Hakujya bigumane.
Compared me to my mother.
Ati nukangeranye na mama.
you don't like asking for help.
Ese kujya kunda kwaka ubufasha. Gusa
In here,
mwana ndani
we all need each other's help.
twese tubura umwe cyane ufasha bwa mugenzi we. Nawe amubwira amagambo nk'aya wa musore Dizo yambwira ati gutwita nta cyaha kirimo nani kosa ririmo bwira abagenzi yawe kwibiye turimo nibiye bikomeye. Noyo nawe musubire matana buri umwe cyane ufasha bwa mugenzi we. Bivuge nta cyazo kirimo. Ni kazo wi. Natari ariyumvira.
Hey, did you know Mr. Marcus had an affair with Miss Green?
Ariko so abuzi ko Marcus yigeze ajyana affair cyangwa se ibintu by'inkundo hagati yiwe na Green.
And Miss Martinez.
Na Miss Martinez.
At the same time?
Icyarimwe.
Miss Martinez was not too happy about it.
Asije ko Madame Martinez ntabwo yakunda ko umugabo afite undi mugore.
You remember when Miss Drake had to take time off of school for rehab after her surgery?
Uzimamvu Drake yajya mu ishuri yagiye muri rehab kunyuma yo kubagwa.
Yeah, we had a sub for like a month.
Twamaze rwose kwezi kose tutiga neza. Yari muri rehab.
Wait, you had Miss Drake?
Yeah, na Miss Drake ngajya kumvugana cyane.
Miss Drake teaches ballroom dance.
Turiya mdamu Miss Drake yakunda kutwigisha kubyina.
And it fit my schedule.
Nanjye rwose byari kuri gahunda yanjye kwiga kubyina.
Ballroom dance?
Oh, okay.
Bakomeza baganiramo.
I was thinking you were so great.
Rwose nani munda ndibaza kuri umusore mwiza utunganye. Wese ukunda kubyina.
Without getting all judgy about what so happens to be a very elegant form of expression.
Ati rwose mbere na mbere itangiye kubyina bikuramo uburyo urebwe n'abantu. Ahubwo ukavuga uti ndabizi ko mbizwe abantu kugira icyizere.
Okay. Yeah, I see where this is going.
Reka ndangwara ko bigiye kugenda.
Nope.
Ashiramo mugeza akora indirimbo bajyaga bakoreraho practice imyitozo.
And I had about 20 minutes to let that solution set.
N'ubundi solution nakoze ntaze ibintu nagiye mvanga kujya bibyara ya gas. Ntago birivanga birafata iminota 20 kugira ngo solution ibimaze kuba separated. Wino tube tuyibyiramo iyo minota 20 minutes gake gake. Wabatangiye bapingana batangiye kuzunga.
Give me a hand.
Fatano nkwereke. Mereza ikiganza.
Okay, now follow my feet.
Ubu nicyo gihe ukurikira ibirenge byanjye.
So, you know, some people are born with 2 left feet.
Bana hari igihe bavuka n'ibirenge bitandamye. Navukanye bitatu kimwe bagikuye atangira gushaka inkuru zitabayeho. Nabizi abantu basa nkaho bari bakana ku rukundo bababeshanya. Rega buriya Ukraine na Russia cyo bapfuye nta kindi. Bigeze kwiba uruganda rwa kawunga. Biba kawunga nyinshi aramubeje amubwira ibyabayeho n'ibitarabaye. Nibyo byarakaje Putin ajya gutera buriya. Sasa mugenzi natari hakuno.
Great.
Wow, ni byiza. Mugenzi yahisemo kwirekura abwiza abagenzi be bose kuri.
Congratulations.
Felicitation mwana. Mugenzi rishane.
Pregnant lady needs more water.
Ati umugore utwite niwe ukeneye amazi kurusha twe twese. Ntabwo nyakeneye ariko.
We need to be aware of.
Ugomba kwimenya ko umwana akeneye kubaho neza ntabwo ari nk'azo twese.
Really?
Oya niko kose bimeze.
Naps? I don't know.
Mana numva benshimishije.
Why'd you
Mugenzi buri ari situation urimo buri wese akagukunda.
tell everybody?
Buri nta muntu ujya wanga umuntu utwite nibibaho. Kereko bigorye n'abasazi wenda.
Tired of hiding something about myself.
Atse kuki uhisemo kutubwiza ko nari nambaye kugumana ibanga byari rindemerereye kandi mvanga nshaka kubivuga. Abana bo mugenzi uko bategereje ko ibyo bavanze bikora iki bitatana. Sasa nawe uraza kibuka nudo yakunda kwambara nimero 12 bakinaga basket Nelation oyi nawe hakuno mugenzi ni diso yabuze nawe mushitwe Lyle na endi gahunda ngo yafasha abagenzi be babibereye hakurya. Hano bafite ya chipe yabo yitwa Cougars. Hari ibikombe yagiye itwara. Sasa muri parafo hamwe twabonye zombi nshaka kwinjiramo hano. Hey! Sinzi ngo harimo iki. Parafilimi irinyeganyeza. Ndacheki episode ya Ruki Jense. Yari sakala da premium mwumvaga abaje mwakoze kuzamura beho. Nimuche kuna episode ya 7 ndabakunda cyane cyane. Hasta la vista.